Hello friends, I know if you are a packaging designer and designing a package for your supplement products or medicine product, you have to take care of a lot of things. So to make your job easier, I have brought an awesome AI tool that helps you a lot with designing, creating theme, adding all the supplement fact, and then over it, if you want to make any editing changes, you can do it within the same tool. So without waiting, let's go to the tools and create our first supplement product design. So let's go to the tools website. You can find the tools link in the description as well as the first comment. Click on it. So before we start our tutorial video, let's see what these tools offer us and how we can create a supplements packaging design using this tool. So let's check it out. So here at the top, it shows this AI tool works on AI packaging design, AI product photography, and AI mockup. You can also see some other features as well. This means it's a great tool for graphic designer and packaging designer to design different packaging design as well as creating the photography and mockup to send to their client instantly. So I hope you get the idea what is the tool for and what kind of different services it provides. Now without wasting time, let's move ahead. So let's log in. Click on login button on the right side and sign up using your Google account. After logging in, scroll down. Packify AI gives a lot of packaging templates. You can use them directly or take inspiration for supplement packaging designs. So if you want to use any of the templates, you just need to click on it and you can start redesigning the same template. So you can use the template if you want. For now, we'll just keep it and we will create our own design. So we want to create a new supplement packaging design. So let's click on AI packaging design. After clicking, come to the left side. Here you have to enter packaging design information like product, brand, logo file, packaging type, etc. So before entering all these items, these are very important items. So make sure you write it down in your notepad. So you do not make any mistakes while pasting the same information, and that's why you can save your time as well as the credits. So look at here. I have prepared all my content in this doc for supplement designing. Product, brand, elements, style, everything is ready for my design. So let's copy the product and paste it here. As soon as you paste, the process will start automatically in the center. You can see here. Wait for a few seconds. After that, copy the brand and paste it here in the box. Then you can see you have to upload your logo file. So you can upload in JPG or PNG format. Here for this tutorial, I'm not going to add any logo, so I'm just going to skip it. If you have a brand logo, definitely add it here. Next, select the packaging type. Here you can see they have provided a lot of packaging types. You have to select according to your use case. Now, in our case, we have a supplement bottles. So we have to click on cosmetic bottle here. Here you can see there are categories under it too. So we will select medicine bottle. After that, number of images. Here we have to tell to AI how many images we need. So I'll keep the 3. Then elements. I have written earlier like 20 tablets, effervescent tablet pack, sans serif typography, white space, color blocking. So I will copy paste each item one by one. Then comes style. So I have already written mine, which is clean and minimalistic. modern and sleek, vibrant and energetic, natural and organic. So clean, minimalistic, modern, sleek. This is the style I want. So I'm just going to paste all of them here. You don't have to put each and every style elements. You can put 1, 2 or even 3 elements. Still AI will give you the nice result. If you want to use ready-made, then click on color. Once you go to the color, you can see there are 3 options. Theme color, like energizing blue red for supplements, that you can select, or you can select as per your product. Then you can see competitive analysis and packaging style. Now we already checked the packaging style. So next, let's go to the competitive analysis. So here you can upload your competitors or any brand package which you like, and it automatically, this AI automatically identify different colors, styles, so on, and that will help you to generate similar kind of packaging design. So these are all different options. You can choose any of them. Then it comes theme color option. So if you want to select any specific theme, select it. Otherwise, this tool automatically pick it up. Now, after everything is properly pasted, and you can just check it out once more time. And if everything looks good, you just need to click on generate button on the left side, and in few minutes supplements packaging design will be ready. And now you can see on your screen 3 supplements packaging designs being generated, all in different style. So if you want to download all of them, you can just click here on download all, and all of those 3 designs will be downloaded. And let's say if you like one of them, and if you want to make some changes into that particular design, you just have to hover over that image, and then you can see there is option for download. You can download from there. Then there is an edit option, where if you want to make some changes, like if you want to add some more nutritional fact, you can click on edit and do it. Then comes very important part, which is export Dieline. I like this feature a lot because that makes my entire job super easy. So let's get the Dieline. So here it's very easy options given by this tool. You can just click on this Dieline button. After that, select Mockup. Here you can see there are a lot of mockups. You have to select according to your need or use case. Here in recommended, the tool has suggested based on design. So I'm just going to use recommended, and I like this one. So I click on it. As soon as you click, Dieline size will show the height, width and length. So if you want to change any of these dimension, then change on left side and click on apply, then it will change. And if you don't want to make any changes, just click on continue. Now you can see supplements packaging Dieline is ready. It may take some time to render, so let's wait. Here final supplements packaging design is ready, and you can see on your screen. Here you have to adjust properly according to Dieline size. Then here you have to set your image size, etc. So here click on image. Options will open on right side, and here you can see image size, smart edit, in which cut out, upscale, erase, retouch, crop, straighten, etc. Like all are editing options you can see on the right side. So you can make any changes. Now in top center has an image option. Here upload or generate supplement product image, or if you have to add image, logo or element, then you can do it from here. So all the editing changes or all the things, like now this is the editing part. So the way you are doing editing in any other software, you can also do it here. Next option is text. Here you can see nutritional fact panel. net weight, ingredient list, badges are given ready-made, which are perfect for supplements, which makes your work easy. Next option is shapes, where you can customize shapes and use in your design. Now on the left side, 3D box design, you can see 3D preview of your design. So once you done with all the changes, you can see with the 3D preview. If you want to make again any changes, you can go back and keep making the changes. Below, layer panels is given, where all layers are shown. From here you can adjust easily. I guess most of us designer knows how to use the layers. Now let's move ahead and click on export on the right side to download our first Dieline. Here you can see our final supplements packaging design with Dieline, outline, packaging and mockup with the supplement theme. So you can see everything is done using this simple tool. I found this tool really useful and had a lot of benefits over any other traditional tools. So this time I have brought an amazing coupon code for you. So you can get the 20% off on any paid plan. Just use Dolphy20 as a coupon code and you will get the 20% off right away. So without waiting, start using by clicking on the link below and apply the coupon code Dolphy20. So I hope you learned a lot of things about how to design a packaging for any products, create the Dieline, create the mockup and export everything as per the client requirement in this tutorial. So if you do so, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe my channel and share this video with all your designing friends. See you in the next one.